How to use Mailchimp to send a bulk emails. Now, first things first is go to the Mailchimp official website and then make sure that you're currently or you have logged into your account. Now, this is going to be your dashboard upon logging in. All you have to do first is to click on create. Now, we are currently using on the free feature right now, so let's head to regular email. Now, let's wait for it to load. Now, from here, you can go ahead and how do you want to design your email? Now you can try to start from scratch, a basic layout or a fully designed template. Now please note that if you use a fully designed template, there's going to be a premium designs that are going to be attached to this one, which means you'll need to pay for those templates. But for this tutorial, let's try to use a scratch or a basic layout first. Now in here, you'll just have to choose on any template you want. So let's use on the free ones, apply. Now all you have to do is to check on the current template that you just added and then just simply, once you're satisfied with this template, all you have to do is save and exit. Now this is going to be the page in which we're trying to send a bulk emails to a certain recipients. All I have to do from two, just click on add recipients and you can go ahead and import contacts as many as you want. So that's how easy and basic you send or you use Mailchimp to send a bulk emails.